Some upgrades for E63 just showed up. Ordered these while we were at SEMA this year. They had a good show special going on, so I picked these up. And they just got here in the mail, so let's check them out. Here's everything that came in the kit. Got the high flow catalytic converters here. Got the X-pipe option. Came with oxygen sensor extenders. Came with hardware to bolt the headers up, but I'm still gonna use exhaust studs and copper bolts, copper nuts from Ben's. Got all the exhaust clamps. And you can see the megaphone style collector at the end. And then if you look inside, it also has the spike in the middle to help the scavenging. So I'm pretty excited about this. These are solid headers. Put them in, see how much louder the E gets, and get a tune with the ROW air filters, air filter housings. Go from there.